Okay, so welcome back, and now we're going to do an example where we're going to take and we're going to find the standard form of a circle given some information. So in this example here, it says the point 3, 4 lies on a circle with a center of -1, 2. Okay, it says write the standard form of this circle. Now you can draw a picture if you'd like, if that's helpful. So if we draw a circle, okay, and so we know the center is at -1, 2, and the point on the circle is at 3, 4. Again, I'm not drawing my circle to be accurate as far as like the XY plane, okay, because we know that this is going to be in the second quadrant, and 3, 4 is going to be in the first quadrant. So actually, if I wanted to draw this accurately, it'd be more like up here. Okay, but again, the purpose of the drawing is to visualize what's going on here. Okay, so we need to find the distance between these 2 points. We need to find r. Okay, and so we can use the distance formula, right? So we could say, okay, we can say x, the square root of x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared equals r. So the first thing we need to know to write in standard form is we need 3 things. We need to know r, we need to know x, and we need to know y. Okay, well, or excuse me, I'm sorry, h and k. Okay, well, we've got h and we've got k already, right? Those are given to us. Okay, so we just need to find r. Okay, now, so here, all we have to do is really plug and chug because we've got all the information we have. So let's just plug and chug. So we've got x minus h, so that's going to be -1. Oh, shoot, wrong one. X is 3. So 3 minus a -1. Be careful with the signs, okay? That will trip you up if you're not careful. So 3 minus a -1 squared plus y, which is 4 minus 2 quantity squared equals r. And so at this point now we're just going to simplify. So 3 minus -1, which is the same as 3 plus 1, which is 4. So this is going to be 4 squared plus 2 squared equals r. And so we get the square root of 16 plus 4. Which is going to be the square root of 20. And so the square root of 20 is just going to be what? It's going to be, we can split this up into 4 times 5. So the square root of 4 is 2. So we're going to get 2 times the square root of 5. Right? But we don't really have to do that because remember, we're going to write this in standard form, right? So let's just leave it at that. So again, what's the goal here? We want to write it in standard form. So let's leave it here because then r squared, which is really what we want, is 20. All right, so that's what we needed to find. Okay, so now if we want to write in standard form, remember standard form is just what? Y minus, or excuse me, actually the order doesn't matter, but let's just keep it in. So x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. All right, so now all we have to do is plug in for h, k, and r. Well, we know r, we know h, we know k. So this is going to be turned into what? X minus h, which is -1, okay? So this is going to be x minus a -1, right? Okay, but in this case here, we wouldn't want to leave it in this. Let's write it as plus 1 plus y minus 2 quantity squared, don't forget the squares, equals 20. And so that's our answer. All right. Have a great day.